Hello guys, this is our day 10 here in Boracay and this is Boracay Sunset. Papunta lang kami ngayon sa may rock formation sa endpoint ng Boracay Station 1. Tapos doon kami maghantay ng gabi. We have reached Station 1 here in Boracay.
That's our sunset.
Closing in, tapos pupunta kami doon sa banda na yun. And we are here guys. Ito yung pinaka-peak ng Boracay Station 1 and makikita nyo dito yung entire beach. And we've walked 3.5 kilometers. Papunta lang dito. So it's kind of far.
Ikaw na po, babe. Pwede na.
Ito yung hidden beach dito sa likod ng Station 1. Tara.
Ito kay Katong.
Napaka-amazing.
Nice.
This is the hidden beach here in Boracay Station 1. And it's also my first time and it's so amazing. Look at that guys, rock formation everywhere. And also the way, that's the way going here. And this is how it looks like, that rock. Those rocks formation is so amazing. It is just beautifully created by the nature with God. That's how our day 10 ended here in Boracay. Hope you guys enjoy. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.